2 years ago, we brought you the most funded hammock in crowdfunding history, and it was world record rester Dave approved. And using customer feedback, we've done the impossible. We made it better. Introducing Koala V2 and V2 Max, the most feature-rich, comfortable, and spacious hammock you'll ever see. Our Koala V2 is built with premium-grade materials, and it's a cinch to set up, perfect for a lounge in the backyard or a hike in the hillside. Materials matter, so we worked hard to make sure the new Koala was strong. Super strong. Strong enough to hold 450 pounds. And if you want more space, or if you're going to invite a friend, we figured we'd make a second, the Koala Max. Same great features, just bigger. We listened when you told us that you were still getting bitten by bugs from underneath. So we designed the bug mesh to go all the way around, 360 degrees of bugless freedom. We don't like to waste any opportunity to add convenience, so we designed the mesh to hang anything you need, including our new fancy organizer for your most valuable items. Did somebody say convenience? We made the new Koala's pockets movable, so you can put them where you need them, or just leave them off completely if you want to keep the trail weight down. Speaking of backpacking, the Koala V2 is smaller than a loaf of sourdough, and yes, it literally is the best thing since sliced bread. Remember Dave's love of beer? We too love resting in the Koala with a frosty adult beverage. Who doesn't? But since some folks would actually rather drink water, your trusty beer koozie is now a bigger, better drinks koozie, so you can enjoy whatever drink you want. That should be enough pockets now, right? You think we need one more. You think we need one more. All right, let's add one more. We designed a hidden pocket so you can discreetly hold all your valuables out of sight. Even more storage? You got it, with our mini under hammock. Perfect for keeping your boots and bags safe. We do like pina coladas, but don't like getting caught in the rain. So we made our tarp longer and more streamlined for better coverage and wind diversion, with a reversible reflective coating which will easily keep you at the perfect temperature. Your Koala is calm and ready for all nature's elements. Speaking of keeping you warm, we completely redesigned the quilt from the ground up. All the same features you love, like doubling as a picnic blanket, but now with premium materials used for extra softness and an extra panel that zips off and on, perfect for either size Koala. And of course, we always look to the small details that we can upgrade to elevate the Koala. So we made the bug mesh thicker, upgraded the zips, added new and better grommets to hold the spreader bars, and traded out the heavy steel carabiners for lightweight aluminum ones to give you the ultimate hammock experience anywhere. Here at Crua, we're built by the crowd. This is our 7th crowdfunding campaign with over 13,000 customers in 98 countries. We work tirelessly to design and develop the greatest outdoors equipment, and even when we break crowdfunding records, we take your feedback and make it better. We'd be delighted to have you as a backer on this journey, and join Dave in jumping into the greatest hammock in the world.